Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video, I am working in my year of savings year of savings binder. I have $100 in prop money. So let's get started with our challenges for the year 2025. What a year. I think I want to do a 2025 recap. All the successes and bumps in the road of my financial journey. I'm thinking about that. I don't know. All right. But if you guys are interested, let me know down below. So first we are doing this challenge every Friday of 2025. We're going to put $5 in. Oh, I should have grabbed my other markers. I don't know if this one is going to work. No, but I will color this one in. I forgot to grab my markers. And this goes towards the extra payment of debt. So $5 here. Yeah, that's going to smear right off. So I got to make sure I mark that. Next is our weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And I thought I was prepared. What am I doing? I don't have nothing out. So I am rolling a D8, and this goes towards my senior year. And we are putting $4 in here. So let's do $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's do Save with Judy. Oh, I need to print my 2026. I just love this. A quick little $300, $5 per icon. And this also go towards his senior year. So we are going to color in this cute little ornament here. And it's so crazy because this morning I looked at my son's school fees for the year. And they are up to $400. I said, doggone, like, what is really going on? And he like, Mom, I have 3 AP, IB classes I'm taking. And in order to take the test for those classes to get the college credits, they are $100 each. I said, oh, okay. Do your thing, son. Do your thing. That's what we saving this money for. So this whole $300 right here is going to go straight to those school fees. That's why I have so many of these senior saving challenges. Because as you can see, this is it adds up. And that's not counting like if he's going to prom, graduation gift, graduation pictures, all of that. So yeah, if you have a senior or if you have a child in high school, I say start their freshman year. Trust me, it will release so much stress. All right, so this challenge you can find in my Kofi or in my Etsy, and I am going to roll this D20. Ooh, we got the 20. Did I do 20 yet? I already did the 20. I was getting excited. But that's okay. I'm just going to put that 20 right here. So these numbers that's already predetermined are 1 through 20. And then the empty pages here is going to be a roll and save. So what I'm doing if I already shade in that number, I'm just adding it to these little pages here. So $20. Gotta do budget at least $20 for this challenge. Because I told you guys, this senior year stuff is just adding. And it's crazy because this is my second one. You would think I learned from my first child. No, I didn't. So this is my last one, my baby boy. So yes. All right. Next, we have, say, 2025 and 2025, created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And this is going towards my taxes. And we are almost finished with this. And I owe this one 28, 20, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. All right. And what I am doing is just scratching 2 off and then but put that in my budget and I will save it the next week. Oh, I don't even have my eraser thing. Oh dear, what am I doing? I don't have another IOU card over here. No, so we're gonna just see. So let's scratch off 2 to see where we at. Ugh. So 6, I believe we left off. I don't remember. So I'm just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, that is 22. Wow. How big are these numbers? So that's 22 and 5. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and 15. What's that, 37? Let me get the calculator, because you know my math don't be mathing sometimes. All right. Let me get this cleaned up. So 22 and 15. Oh, 37. Okay. So, oh my goodness, I don't have anything. What am I doing? 37. I need to put that somewhere. I don't know. Hopefully I remember. I'm going to remember. So I will put 37 as an IOU. Maybe I'll put on back of here. So 37. Okay. All right. And we only got 4 more scratches. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. And like I said, if I don't need this whole $2,000 for taxes, I would just roll it over for the next year. Because, yeah, we got to pay those taxes. All right. Next, we got a couple dollars left. All right, let's do a couple. Okay, I'm going to have to get up and get my markers. Unless I do. Let me see. Should I put at least $10 in here? I almost finished it. This is created by NASA Budgets. This total $100 and it's going for vacation. So let's do I have any big numbers left? I got a 3 here. So let's do this 3. I don't know why I'm being so lazy. The marker is literally not that far. But I don't want to get up. So that's 3. Let's do this one up here. And I'm just going to outline this. And then I'm going to color it. I can't wait for the new year to refresh all the binders. Do things a little different. Because we've been going at it for a whole year. That is crazy. So that's 5. Let's do this one for 7. And then we got another 2 there, but I want to put a green there. So let's do 2 of these dollar ones. And that is $10. So quick little savings. And let's do this. Let's do this one. And these amounts are just 1 through 5, right? Yeah. And I think this was a digital download, so I think I might print this one again. So $10. Perfect. And then we only got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. So what we got left? We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We got like $33. Oh, let's see. Should I put the 15 in here And then all I owe is 22, or should I don't know. Oh no, I'm not. Let's do some more of this right here. Like I said, I need those senior funds. So let's go to that envelope. Let's roll a D20 because I have at least $20. And what is that? A 5. Do we got 5 yet? No, we don't have 5. So let's go ahead and mark out the 5. We put a 5 here. Let's roll the D20 again. A 20. Oh Lord, hold on. 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. We're going to put another 20 in here. So let's put this 20 here. Okay. Let's roll a D8. And let's do this be the last roll maybe. And that is a 6. Did we do 6 yet? Nope. So we cross out this 6 here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's $2 left. Ooh, so how much we putting in? Should I just cross out the 2? Or just put 2 as the rollover? Yeah, we're going to put all the money in here. So let's put the last $2. Because like I said, I need all these funds. So we put that 2 there. We won't cross out the 2 here. So we put in 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, no. Hold on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So $33 going in here. Because, ooh, that $400 shocked me when I seen that. So that is a good savings for the senior of 2026. All right, gems, that is it. That was my year of savings. Like I said, I cannot wait to refresh the binders and get everything squared away for 2026. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. But thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.